This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Jen Freeman and Leah Cruz. All the must-have boxes are checked here. Updated single-level rambler with a private yard and delightful garden, an open concept floor plan and an outbuilding. You'll love all the upgrades: hardwood flooring, quartz counters, custom cabinetry and soft close drawers, light and bright white trim throughout, heated tile floors in primary bathroom, air conditioning and irrigation, just to name a few. Attached 2-car garage plus potential space for RV parking on this 11K plus square feet lot if you reconfigure the front yard area. Looking for a private space to get away to? The shed/studio/outbuilding is an ideal spot to work or school from home. Birch Bay Village Resort-like community amenities include marina, beaches, golf course, outdoor pool, sports courts, parks, playgrounds, clubhouse and 24-hour security gate. Cruise over in your golf cart to check out the beach berm and enjoy all that the bay has to offer. This is Pacific Northwest living at its finest. Birch Bay is a gem nestled between Seattle and Vancouver, and this home is simply lovely. For more information, review the details below or contact Jen Freeman and Leah Cruz at 360-815-0803.